checking our video today, guys. We got an S4 3.0. We're gonna show you how to remove this supercharger in super fast time. Very easy to get this off. There's no air box here, so you're probably gonna have an air box. He has this. These are all the tools you're gonna need. Pinch off lines. Very uncomplicated job. That's it, and water's not a part of it. But we're gonna start now and show you how quick we could get this thing off and where you go. So I'm holding the camera and he's gonna be doing a...
Naturally, you don't want to go.
Nah, that's the way it goes. I mean, take your belt off. But this car is in for a PCV and time and chain job, so yeah, so we're doing some overhaul, belts off. That's why we're removing the supercharger. Customer wants a new PCV put in, so this thing is getting a pretty big overhaul. This is a 2010 Audi S4. So you're gonna clamp off. PCV failure is common. You'll usually start to hear some whistling or some oil consumption issues. We've done other videos, I believe, on the PCV issues in the 3.0. Pretty much the only fault in this engine. Yeah, everybody said they stress out removing this PCV. We're going to show you this thing. It's a piece of cake.
Of course, my hoses want to fight today.
Yeah, they want to fight. We just did a Q7s in really quick record time.
There we go. That one. That one will come off when I lift the supercharger off, so we'll leave that one alone. Now to disconnect vacuum lines.
Back here. So we're about 2 minutes in right now.
Electrical connectors. A pick always helps to
Yeah, definitely.
pop these connectors loose. It makes it a whole lot easier. You just go right in like that.
Easier when it's two of us. Look at that. Use a pick right there. Pops right off like that. Now we'll go to this side. Same thing. Use your pick here. Same thing. That's all out the way.
Get that out the way. Makes things a whole lot easier. You got your little side covers that need to come off, and it takes a T25 to do them.
Yep.
Also frees up the fuel line all at the same time.
Yep. Kind of killing two birds with one stone, so to speak.
It's always handy to have a magnet around.
Yeah. Even when you drop stuff, let me go get it back over on this side. Get a bird's eye view.
Oh, this one's gonna be a little different.
This is a 10. Most of the 3.0s we work on are like 13 and up, so I haven't worked on a 10 3.0 in a while. I have a couple customers with them, but
This one had a little pedestal stud on there. That's unusual.
throw that out the way.
Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take the supercharger bolts loose.
It was missing one. Somebody already been.
Somebody been in here playing already.
Organize your bolts too, people.
Or at least put them in a magnetic tray where they're all in one spot.
That's right. Should pick back here. It's a little tedious stuff in the back.
And these right here come off a little easier if you use a pick to pop them loose.
They ain't breaking nothing. Set that to the side. If you hang it up right in there.
Just hook it in where it keeps it pulled out the way. Throttle body here. That's unplugged. And now, it helps if you take both little covers off.
Yeah. He forgot to do. He's getting ahead of himself.
It happens. But you'll know real quick if you forgot something when you grab that thing.
When you go to grab a supercharger and she's fighting with you, you ain't all the way disconnected. It's heavy, but it ain't that heavy. So, when you're trying to, if you're getting resistance, stop before you break a vacuum line or something.
Now, she should come off.
I ain't gonna help him. I could. I got this extra hand here. Maybe I should.
What am I hooking on back here?
See? What did we forget?
Up. See? That's what you got to look for. I missed the plug.
See, even the best forget sometimes. See, I'm not giving no tips or pointers. I'm just cameraman in it. I'm not even helping lift the supercharger. So back here, you got to remember to hit all.
Yeah, there's one little plug buried down here in the bottom.
Yeah, I can't really get to it. A good bird.
And that's what I missed.
But it's gonna be way down there.
There, maybe you can see it now. This one right here.
Yep, I got it. Well, kinda. It's buried back there. See if I can get it from in here. You see what he's at?
There it is. Now it's off.
Heard it. Now we can pull off the supercharger.
The supercharger should just lift right out now.
And she's off, folks.
Nope. One more plug.
Oh, man.
That's the one that's buried all the way down in the bottom.
So you got two buried back there. That's that. So those three plugs right there in the back. And that's it. Supercharger off in less than 10 minutes. And as you can see, here's your PCV. So this is what we're gonna end up replacing on this to start. Does have a Hankst. That's who makes the Audi PCVs and the 3.0s. So basically, this is the start of a pretty big job. Timing change too. This is gonna be a fun one. Thanks for checking our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope this helps you get your supercharger off at the 3.0 in less than 10 minutes.